Music in Wanderland is an interactive experience where play, music, and storytelling come together in a shared physical space. Players become collectors, hired by the curator of Wanderland, tasked with recovering 8 magical items scattered across the land. Using clues from the shelves, they must return each item to its rightful place. Correct choices light the shelves green, while mistakes cost valuable time. Inspired by our theme, the Carnival of the Future, the experience encourages exploration, communication, and teamwork. With each item restored, a new layer of music is unlocked, reminding us that the future is built through collective effort and shared experiences.
With Alice.
Bringing this concept to life meant working across a lot of different areas at once. Color sensor, laser cutting, 3D printing, fixing the ambient light. We used color sensors paired with RGB LEDs to give players a real-time feedback when item is placed on the shelf, giving them a visual cue. Technical functionality was handled through Arduino and processing IDE. Musical layers being placed through speaker. The laser cutting was used to engrave hints directly onto the shelf and to create signboards for each play area and give the whole space a much more cohesive and finished feel. 3D modeling gave us our characters, rabbits, cat, mushrooms, each one tied to a suit, which would be used in the maze. All of these elements look very simple on paper, but it was challenging in real life. Did everything work the first time? Not quite. The curtains we initially used were too flimsy and kept shifting out of the place. Wiring was loose in ways that only showed up during testing. One of the bigger challenges was the shelves. The white surface caused light reflection that threw off the color sensors entirely. We had to recalibrate everything precisely, each color individually, with and without ambient light, with different combinations of items. Getting the LEDs and color sensors to communicate reliably required the wiring to sit at a very specific angles and with proper physical support. It was painstaking work, but it was also where we learned the most. The clips that follow show some of the process. One gap kept coming back, that was keeping everyone engaged, not just the player. We tested slot machines, ball drops, and pulley systems before landing on a dice and maze mechanic where spectators roll dice to guide the player through correct card, suit gate. while hidden objects beneath add chance and tension. The shells evolved into an interactive system with RGB feedback and laser engraved hints. We added 3D printed distractions, servo mascots, and signage, all tied together through the story of Wonderland.
Hardworking is Simi.